Alright, the vlog is taking a weird twist today. Today we're out in the middle of Oakland. We are in the streets. And this Negro, he was talking about, oh man, bikes is hella tight. There's my little brother Mike. He's out here. He said he wants to ride bikes. Alright, so today we're having a nigga motorcycle safety course. This nigga on a motorcycle, and this is his safety course. So we are old washed up riders. Me and him. Washed like a motherfucker. Our knees is kind of old, our back is kind of bad, and our elbows be getting wore out on these motorcycles. But we know what we doing. So what we gonna do is try to get Mike up to speed on know what he's doing. This is the bike that I've been working on. A little bit of that footage of me working on the bike goes in right here. This shit came from China. Hopefully it ain't the coronavirus. Well, in today's episode of Boy, What the Fuck Is You Doing? We got a seized preload, and we're gonna try and remedy that. Praise Jesus. I was able to unseize it. Boy, that's a proper GP stance. Look at that shit. Look at that shit. God damn. Now, cutting to today, we just bring it out to shake it down. But Mike, you don't know he lives right down the way, so he popped up, and here he is. He wants to crash it before I give it away. So, if it gets crashed, y'all blame Mike. We definitely don't want to crash it, because he already light as shit. If that nigga end up pink, it'll look crazy. So, he did bring a helmet, right? Yeah, he got a helmet. He's not gonna do nothing too crazy except for understand the basics of the bike. But we got the family out. Jalen says he wants to ride, so I brought him something. And look at my little mama's driving. Oh, look, Mike's about to go and die. He's all right. So we're gonna get him under control, and then we'll bring some footage back to you here in a quick second. Street racing. All right.
Daddy's on his bikes.
Yeah, they're on their bike. See, Daddy on their guy. Daddy go, whoa,
Huh? Oh. Hey, baby. This motherfucker got way too much power. And Jay burnt the last of the good tire that was on it. He alright. Hey, baby. Hey, mamas. Yeah.
You want to buy your bike?
Definitely easier on that bike.
Yeah.
I'm being real cautious.
Yeah. We squinting, cuz. We squinting, cuz. No gloves, all shorts, and a mic. We squinting, cuz.
And a mommy! I can't stand still for 2 seconds.
Alright, so, hey, because we so washed, right? He and I are so washed. The challenge that we're gonna partake in today, the going nowhere fast. He and I are gonna take chance on going the shortest distance in the longest time. Now, how does that work, you would say? On idle. So we're gonna either figure out how our old bones and body and lack of core strength is gonna get us from A to B, which might not be that damn far, but how long it could take us to do it. So we're gonna go nowhere fast. So we're gonna get our practice up, because he hasn't really ridden any of these bikes. Oh, see, look, and he stalled.
I'm blaming on Lex.
He blaming it on me. It's my fault. But we're gonna get our little practice in. Mike seems to be getting a little bit comfortable on the 636. But we don't want him going too hard. Remember, like I said, if he racks it, y'all focus all of your anger to Mike. You know how to find him. Jalen's looking real antsy. I can tell. I know what he wants to do. I know his vibe. Yeah, he know how to ride. He wants to ride. You want to ride that? I told you the seat's not bolted in. I'm like that. So.
What the fuck? Seat falling off.
I don't bolt in the seats because the bikes be posted for so long. I keep battery tenders on them, so that just had a bolt in it.
Excuses. Oh,
It had a bolt in it. You see,
my man sitting on terminals, yo.
my nigga about to get his nuts shocked is what he's about to get, because that is right on the battery. No bullshit. Would have got all kind of sperm count electrified.
What the fuck? I'm sitting like, I felt like I was sitting on a sideways seat.
Because he was. But now, so we got to have our old man challenge. We have to do our going nowhere fast. So now that you've rode all of them, which one do you want to use to do this? Okay, so you're going to be on that, and I'm going to, that. We're going to go nowhere fast. Jalen, you're going to man the camera. Yeah. We're going to see how long we can prolong this journey from, let's say, from right here where that we're gonna start right there with the discolored square to the trailer right here. Oh man challenge, whoever takes the longest, we about to run that thing.
Stop trying to get a rolling start.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah, Jalen gonna call it.
Alright, 3, 2, 1, go.
I'm 2-0 right now because I'm the most washedest, you know what I'm saying? I'm the slowest, but what we're gonna do is we're gonna let him rock one more time, and if he don't really feel that comfortable, he gonna try standing up. Look. So the trick to it, right, is just have a little bit of throttle going on. But what we used to do, we used to ride idle, just sitting there. If you had a little bit of engine RPM, the key is the motor's keeping the inertia going, which keeps the bike up. So we might switch the bikes here in a second and let him try with the big boy.
Say loud. You ready?
Cola's gonna
Say
go.
loud. Say loud.
Say, and then you go.
Go!
It's 3-0, basically, alright? So you already know who's winning. So as they switch bikes right now, what's going on?
This one,
I think I'm gonna fall earlier.
this one might be the cheat code. I'm gonna let him try this.
I just want to inform you guys, this is just for fun. It's just a little Sunday, just you know, just having fun, hanging out with the boys and everybody, just chilling, right? Dad, today's just supposed to be a chill day.
Yeah, we're just chilling, man. I mean, we've been really busy doing a lot, trying
Especially
to get this bike up to par. Yeah, and I mean, I'm really happy. We've been running it all day, absolutely no issues, which is such a relief. And we even whooped on it, so we're just having a little bit of fun on it, and then we're gonna put it up and just kick it, man. That's what it's all about. I just wanted to check this bike out and make sure it was good to go before I decided to give it away, and really confirmed it was gonna be given away. Now we can move forward with some of the cool shit that I just plan to slap on it just cause.
Alright, 3, 2, 1, go.
Hey, this is the shit, dog. This is the shit. Alright, one more go. Here we go. Hey, actually, this one's for all the, I shouldn't even be saying that because watch me lose. This one's for all the marbles. Old man wash challenge.
Alright, 3, 2, 1, go. that.
Yeah.
No, I think I made it about as far.
The bike's held up cool. Mike's been riding it. I just got off and doing a couple wheelies. What you think about it?
It's cool. I like it.
Once you actually get the understanding of it, like you ain't did nothing too extravagant, but it's the same thing when you get out on the street. You know what I'm saying?
It's cool. I like it. Might have to be like, I hope you didn't announce it. You was doing a giveaway.
Y'all know.
Y'all might not be getting shit.
y'all right. I think y'all safe.
He gonna be giving away one of these red and white ones.
No, these are permanent in the stable.
One of them Japanese
What's
super
up,
villain
mamas?
bikes.
Oh yeah, nah. I mean, we're chilling, we're just having some fun. Jalen got on, dropped the bike. No big deal. But I mean, he got to learn how to pick up the bike.
Due to my fault, me not having good posture.
Bikes are like kids.
Yeah.
If your kid's bad, it's always your fault. So it's your fault.
Yeah.
For sure it's his fault that he dropped it. What's up?
I said it feels so weird trying to get a wheelie on a stock sprocket.
And I like to keep stock close to stock sprockets, so that's why this one is a little bit more what I'm used to. But it's more throttle commitment to send it up. Now sending it up at a low speed, it's all right, but I'm nowhere near what I was used to. And if we were on the street, no problem. This shit is wheeling for days. Everybody says these 636s are cheat codes. I can kind of see why, because the balance point is like everywhere. Basically, once you get the wheel off the ground, you go to about 3 o'clock, that motherfucker's chilling. You keep going, you know, higher and higher and higher. It's good. I could see how that would be the digs. Well, you said you were going to try a staggered.
I said I was. For me, that would be an easier thing to do.
Yeah.
In theory, but no.
But anyway, so what do you think about the bike? Because, you know, this was our era where everybody was saying this was the shit. You know what I mean? What do you think about it? Because this is like the street myth that these motherfuckers is the easy button and all that.
I think they're the easy button. F4i is probably a little more mild-mannered feeling motor-wise. It feels like...
Oh, motor-wise. I was about to say, because this has the same wheelbase, this has the same seat height, this has the same rake.
And this shit sounds like a foreign language, nigga. Two Jay-Z's, one Warner.
Okay, so this right here would be an SR. This would be your SR with a disco potato. That's what this is.
So it's a beginner package.
But it's doable, and you can... And you can shred. Yeah. So that's what this bike would be. Now that right there, that's a 2J. That's a stock turbo 2J though. That's what that is.
This is a S13. That's like a IS with a JZ swap.
And that's a Mitsubishi Eclipse, a 89. I can tell you getting comfortable because you're taking them corners fast and wide, boy. So I want you to have a nice, fun, successful day and have all your fingernails and knuckles. Take that corner a little easier down there. Now go ahead. Look at it. You got it.
Elemental did it.
We on a special night mission, man. We just did a side mission after all this bike stuff we've been doing. And bam, look where we are at. I don't know where we're at. We're in the freaking cuts. But we came to get laid, not sprayed. Boy, we're about to bring it back.
What's up, guys? I'm back in the vlogs.
Back in the vlogs.
Back again.
Back again. Where you been?
Playing video games. That's what you did. Being a normal 12-year-old.
Yep. I can't fault that, right? So Pro Style Raps, we're in here. We got the man, the myth, the legend, and he's in charge bringing her back to her glory days, actually, because everybody, I have seen y'all in the comments talking about the white was your favorite vibe. So we about to remake the vibe. Got a whole bunch of 3M, and although the paint is still really immaculate, although dirty, we can clean that right off. You see that? But that's the cool thing about vinyl. I never lose this. It's right under it, but we keep it preserved, keep it sealed in tight. And we're gonna go back to white. I've tried it before. How do your fingertips hold up after a full day of rapping?
Oh, I mean, I'm used to it now. Got the calluses, but yeah, for sure, it's like you gotta keep your finger away from the glue, otherwise your fingertips are gonna hurt.
How long does it take for like a car this size? How long does it take for you to lay the vibe on this?
I'd say about 2 days.
Oh man, this man working fast. Boy, y'all might want to get your business done here. Yeah, because fools be talking about a week and 2 weeks.
Me and my brother are superheroes, that's what it is.
There it is.
Yeah.
Not all of them wear capes, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So this is, how long have y'all been rapping vinyl? Because if y'all remember a while ago, back when I was clapping my shit at Super D, they are the ones that did the side skirt. Was it the side skirts in the front bumper or just front bumper? Yeah. So they got that taken care of. So you know what I'm saying? We got a return trip going. And how long have you guys been vinyling prior to that?
I think it's been about like 5 years.
Oh man. So they got you covered. So you're in the Sacramento area. Where are we at? Elk Grove? I don't even know.
We're in Fair Oaks. So
Fair
Oaks. It's like in between Roseville and Rancho. I get to have this garage. I'm just gonna make it bigger.
Hell yeah.
It's gonna go all the way that way.
Yeah, he does got quite a bit of driveway to work with. So if you are in the area, I'm actually gonna put their Instagram right in here. You're gonna see his Instagram right here, and it's gonna be down in the descriptions. You wanna let them know just verbally so that they'll know?
At Pro Style Raps. And we also got a website. It's psraps.com. Good spot to get your rap done. We do quality work. We do it quick. So
Top notch.
hell yeah.
Top notch.
There you go.
So
Pro Style Raps, link is going to be in the description. Follow him on Instagram. Let him know you're there. We're going to be doing something else here in the near future, which y'all are probably going to be psyched about. It's going to be pretty cool, and it's going to be a cool project between myself, Pro Style, and another homie. This will be the last time y'all have seen any piece on this car that was just black, and we're going back to, you know, the glory days. So we'll do what we got to do with that winglet. I don't know. You liked it wingless, right?
Mm-hmm. Ducktail.
ducktail.
Some sort of...
This kid, new kids and Rocket Bunny shit, man.
No,
I
not
don't
like
know.
that. I'm talking about like something like this, but like comes out not come.
Okay, so we're gonna put a bike tail on the back of the car. You heard it first. So we're gonna be out from here. He's gonna get to work, and we're gonna travel back to the base. So we'll holler back. So we out, man. I appreciate you. Thank you.
Yeah.
And we're gonna definitely stay in contact. You got your time. Do whatever you gotta do, and I don't know. Let me know.
Yeah, I will. I definitely will. I'll keep you in touch. And I'll take some pictures while I'm doing it too.
Ooh.
Or a video.
So remember, follow his Instagram. It's gonna be in the description. I'll put it right here on the screen, right there,
Yeah.
and an ashy finger right there. Follow that Instagram. He's gonna be posting pictures, and he's gonna be doing stuff. And remember to let him know that you're there.
Yes, sir.
All right, cool.
So is this the end of the vlog?
Yeah, man, we trying to get food. Nicole's been a good girl all day, except for right now. And she's over it. She
Nicole.
wants treats. So, Cola, tell them bye.
Say bye.
Bye. We out.
All right.
Family time.